Siblings are being commended for their hard work to stop illegal dumping in their community. Meteorologist Tara Hastings shows us what's working in the Miami Valley.
Well, according to officials, there are 1,000 illegal dumps across Montgomery County. Not only can they be an eyesore, but they can cause a health hazard as well. And for one brother and sister, they were tired of their neighborhood becoming a place for trash. It's a pretty spring day, but a closer look down the alley of Burton Avenue in Dayton shows an ugly side. Trash litters the backyard of this vacant home, and the garage is bursting at the seams with scrap tires.
It really is a big problem, and I get complaints daily. And sometimes it's just, it's a small dump site that maybe it's trash that someone didn't want to dispose of properly, or it could be construction demolition debris.
And the complaints are turning into results. In March of 2012, siblings Justin and Crystal Western saw a man dumping tires onto a yard near their home.
There was they had a truck and a trailer, and then they were just kind of throwing them off into piles.
Justin grabbed his phone and snapped these pictures of several men trying to unload more than 100 tires in the backyard of a vacant home on Linda Vista Avenue. His sister Crystal called police.
It's just frustrating because it's it's just, yeah, it's messy, and you would hope people would take care of what they have, and I mean, even though it's nobody's property, we have to see it, and we don't want to see trash. Just like you wouldn't want trash in your house, you don't want trash around your house either.
Their efforts led to the Montgomery County Environmental Crimes Task Force's first prosecution. Arande Clark was sentenced to 5 years probation, 100 hours of community service, and a $1,000 fine. Justin and Crystal are hoping their actions spread so there's less eyesores like the one on Burton Avenue.
It's unnecessary. There's trash cans all around. We have a trash system in place.
And if you see anyone illegally dumping, you can call the Montgomery County Environmental Crime Unit at 225-HELP. Regional Dispatch will answer the call. Now, dumping just one tire is a felony, and I did some checking and found Montgomery County residents are able to dispose of up to 10 tires per year for free at the Solid Waste Transfer Station. Reporting live, I'm meteorologist Tara Hastings, 2 News, working for you.